Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the ambience volume in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on this clipboard in the main menu or by pressing escape and selecting settings. From here select audio. Here at the bottom is the Ambience Inside Volume and Ambience Outside Volume. Those two gauges control the overall ambience of the game. You can adjust the volume on those gauges by simply dragging it left or right. The lowest it can go is 0, the highest is 100%. The default being 75. Adjust those to your liking. After you make your adjustments, hit apply and close. Once that's done, hit return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.